Hey guys, it's Agatha here with 360 Booth Expert, here with another video. A lot of you have been asking, how do I use my iPad booth for a 360 and a photo booth? So first things first, we're gonna do a slow motion on our 360. I'm gonna get on this platform. Here we go. Hey, we're actually doing a video live, guys, and we'll see the video after. All right, so I'm gonna hit stop on my remote. All right, now I'm going to walk over to my photo booth. So the program that I'm using right now is TouchPix. I do have my GoPro connected as my camera, and I did the settings, connect to GoPro, and I did all my settings on TouchPix like we normally do. And I just want to show you what my video looks like. So that's me literally doing my video live. So I can email, text, QR code it, airdrop it, WhatsApp it, or share it, okay? So a lot of people are like, okay, well, how do I use this as a regular photo booth? What if somebody wants to actually stand in front of this unit and take a picture? Well, there's two different ways you can do this. You can easily just go here, camera, switch to the front of the camera, which where you could see my eyes right there, and hit go back. So now if I want to do the same slow motion, it's actually using the camera from the tablet. So 3, 2, 1. Hey, cheers, woo, party. All right, so let's see. Finishing, all right. So that's one way that you guys could still have, let's say for instance, your battery goes out or somebody wants to just take a picture directly from this unit, you can do that. Okay, so just know that this can easily be done by just changing out your cameras, super easy. So that's option one. And if you ever want to go back to your other camera, you just go camera, GoPro up here, connect to GoPro. Yes, it's disconnected. We'll reconnect, go wireless. And now I know this part's probably not ideal that you want to go back and forth, but if in case of an emergency, you can always just run to photo booth. It does take about 30 seconds, and this time customers are probably getting the set of props. Every time that we go to an event, we always have like a set of props there, so they'll most likely be like, oh, let me see these before, and then I can just start it up back to my GoPro. So I can hit back, hit any of the features. I'm gonna hit photo, and you could hear my GoPro actually going off right now. So it's gonna take a picture. Done. It's gonna send that over here. They could also take pictures from the GoPro too, just so you guys know. But if you ever just want to use the camera on the tablet, it's an easy just changing out your camera settings and changing it to the front. So there you go. So you have two different options. Now let's say for instance you don't want to do that, right? You don't want to exit you don't want to change your camera settings, right? You don't want to do that first step, right? So what you can also do is, what I like to do is have Luma Booth, which this is another program that you guys could be using, and you can have it already set up. So customers can come here, take a picture, 3, 2, 1. So you're literally just using two programs back to back, which is nice, convenient, and easy to swap back and forth. So if somebody wants to actually take a picture up front, right here in front of the booth, they're able to do so. And then at the same time too, you could also email, text, and all that from Luma Booth. That gives you the option to do filters. They can email, text, and airdrop, print, all that stuff. So that's just two ways that you guys can actually do it. So I'm gonna go back to TouchPix, and you could see I'm gonna get back onto my 360 and do another video. Start it up. Cheers. Hey, woo. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the platform. Thank you. Okay, let's go over here. And you saw how simple it was for me to just change out the cameras, swap out the applications. Yeah, it gets kind of expensive, but if you're paying for the year or the month, and Luma Booth is only 20 bucks a month, so it's not even that much money. 20 bucks is like what? Your lunch for a day, pack a lunch. And then the cool thing is you have unlimited amount of events in the month with Luma Booth, which is cool. So yeah, those are the two different options that I would recommend if you guys want to use this as sharing station and a photo booth intertwined into one event. let me know if this video helped you guys out. Put some comments, like, share, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Remember, you can always find us at 360boothexpert.com or 360photoboothexpert.com. I'll show you a little bit of the showroom before we take off here. We have a bunch of these photo booths available online for purchase, as well as our 360s, of course. And we now have a bunch of different backdrops available. And remember, we are also known for our 360 bundles. So take a look at that. Again, 360photoboothexpert.com. Follow us on Instagram at 360boothexpert or Facebook. Thanks, guys, for watching.